My name is Anushree.
My name is Agrim.
And we are from SISMIXBRO. And today we're making an avocado shake.
Because we're so tired of banana shake.
Like strawberry shake or like blueberry shake or something like that. We're so bored of that. So we decided to make an avocado shake.
I have an avocado eyeball.
So what we need for this is avocado.
This is an avocado and this is how you cut it.
We need 1 cup of chilled milk, and if you don't have chilled milk, you could use normal milk, but if you want it cold, you could add ice.
And you could use any type of vanilla extract.
And some honey.
And some cups if we're going to pour and then we're going to drink it.
So let's get started on making the recipe. So once you have your avocado, the avocado includes lots of sources of vitamin like C, K, and E. E, you remembered. E. And so
we'll need
an avocado.
We'll need this whole milk, or you could just add the half.
First, we need to cut the avocado like this. And we need to remove the pit here.
Yeah, we need, for the vanilla extract and the honey, we need 1 tablespoon
of each. Okay, so we're going to take off the pit right there. And then we're going to be taking out the avocado from here. So we're just...
I took a side.
So, and then put it on a plate. Make sure you get all
Can I do the next one?
Yeah, you could do the next one. So once you get it out, you need to mash the avocado. I'll tell you what I mean by that.
This will be avocado.
Good job.
I'm getting all of it out with my muscles.
Okay, there we go. So once you have your avocado on your plate, then you need to mash it like this. Mash.
Or if you have like a mashing thing, then you can mash it with that.
You just need to mash it a little bit. You don't need to mash it like...
Just like cut it in pieces because then
like when you make guacamole, you shouldn't mash it like that. You should mash it like just a little bit.
Okay, now let's put it in the blender.
To blend.
I'll open the blender. First we need to add the milk.
No, first we need to add the avocado. Then
the milk. And we need 1 tablespoon of honey and honey. And vanilla extract.
So then we're gonna add the milk. Add the milk.
It's gonna be very huge.
I'm gonna add this. I wanna add it.
Then I'll add the honey because honey is my favorite sweet, but it's actually
1
not.
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon is like one of these.
One of these cups. Just
It's
gonna
the
add
lid.
that in.
And then honey.
That's it.
Okay.
Now we're gonna blend it.
No, wait, don't blend it.
Put the cup.
It's gonna explode.
Okay, I'm gonna fold it. And about 1 or 2 minutes until you get this right consistency.
2 cups. Let's put this on the side.
Move this. Let's eat your cups and drink this. I'm starving. Okay.
not starving. Starving drinking.
Oh.
Let me add mine.
Add yours.
There's some drip. Oh, that scared me. Oh! Cheers of freedom.
Cheers!
I think we should add a little bit more vinegar extract, but it still tastes good.
It tastes so yummy.